Hello and welcome back. Super excited to have you back here on board. In this section, we're talking about application and infrastructure monitoring. And as you can imagine, in your AWS account, you might have lots of different services and applications running at the same time. And maybe lots of users have access to your account. And you want to make sure that everything is running smoothly and reliably, and there's no issues, there's no security breaches or violations and things like that. And AWS has a few services that allow you to do just that, to monitor that everything is going great in your applications and infrastructure. And we're going to kick things off with quite a simple but very powerful service called the Health Dashboard. Now, the Health Dashboard has two parts to it. It has the Service Health. Previously, it was called the Service Health Dashboard. And this provides real-time information about the availability and performance of AWS services. So it's not related to specifically your account. You can just log in. You don't even have to be logged into your AWS account to access this Service Health. And you can find out about any known issues there are with certain services in specific regions or any kind of planned maintenance that's coming up. And we'll see more of this in the practical tutorial. And the second part of the Health Dashboard is your account health. And previously it was called the Personal Health Dashboard or PHD. And this service provides personalized information about availability and performance of AWS resources specific to your account. So anything that might be specifically impacting you will be visible here. And at the same time, it also provides visibility into any scheduled changes that might impact the performance and availability of your resources. So on the exam, whenever you see something related to availability of AWS services or performance or planned maintenance, think AWS Health Dashboard. If it's more general, then it's the Service Health. If it's specific to your account, to your resources, then think your account health. So there you go. That's the AWS Health Dashboard in a nutshell. Here's a summary of what we discussed, and I look forward to seeing you back here next time. Until then, enjoy the cloud.